All right, good morning, everybody, and hello. This is our first Canvas lesson, and it's starting right in with Chapter 4. In Chapter 4, we're going to continue our theme from the last chapter, learning about linear equations. What I can sort of tell you up front here is that linear equations are a very common item in algebra, right? We have a variety of different types of functions that we study. And linear, we're really going to study two major ones in this year, but as you go through math, you will study more of them, okay? So we do spend a lot of time learning about linear equations this year, so we're going to kind of feel like experts here by the end. Lots of different things that we can do and apply them to. Today, our target is up here. Basically, you're going to be able to write an equation in slope-intercept form given various information. Last chapter, we did a lot of equation to graphing, right? In chapter 3, we did a lot of equation to graphing. In chapter 4, we do a lot of graphing to equation. Meaning in chapter 3, we were given an equation and we had to graph it. In chapter 4, we're going to be given a graph and have to find the equation. We'll also be given various types of information, like some points that it's on, or what the slope and y-intercept is, or it's parallel to this. So there's a bunch of different things that we're going to look at in chapter 4, where we're finding equations of a line. Success criteria here is, given a slope and a y-intercept, you will use y equals mx plus b to create an equation. Given a graph and 2 points, you will use y equals mx plus b to create an equation. And given 2 elements in the domain and their corresponding elements in the range, that one's a mouthful, you will create an equation with y equals mx plus b. Basically, given 2 x's and given 2 y's, you'll be able to create an equation with y equals mx plus b. The vocabulary here is all set in that functions that we've been talking about a lot in chapter 2 and 3, actually. That's the purpose of today. Now, as part of your first Canvas lesson, after this little video segment plays, you're going to go down to the next section of your lesson, and you are going to answer a quick question about what the learning target is. You're going to write it in your own words, okay? So all of that needs to be done on a piece of notebook paper that you should hopefully have already taken out, because the instructions before you play the video said to do that, okay? Because there's going to be a variety of things that you're doing in the video that I want you going back and forth between and writing them on paper, okay? So, at this time, follow the questions in Canvas below.